Hey guys, it's Bloody Vintage here. Just got this Jungle First Aid Kit, Vietnam era. Interesting, it is kind of over dyed by somebody to make a little bit more camouflage. As you can see, part of my hands as I was just doing dyeing some leather on some jungle boots. So let's open it up and see what we got. So it is 67 dated right there. Gonna open it up. I haven't really opened it up yet to even see what it contains, but I know it is full. So we have benzalkonium chloride, tincture tinted. So small amount to shallow cuts and insect bites. That's more of a, I guess, kind of like a polysporin kind of disinfectant. Okay. This one I believe is the Halzone tablets. Yeah, the iodine water purification tablets. And it actually looks sealed in wax. Sorry, I totally shouldn't have dyed and glued boots right before this because my fingers are filthy. So it looks like it's actually wax sealed, which is interesting. Okay. And then next we have a very, very small bandage. It says camouflaged. It's not dated. Looks almost bluish, but I'm guessing that's the wrap for it. So that's kind of cool. Now on the side here, this is really interesting. So this is, I believe, just simply a plastic bag. So when you have a sucking chest wound, you'd throw that across the wound. That's kind of in the manual to use any kind of plastic you can. So I think that's why they probably included that. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, this is interesting. Well, okay. Matches from a steakhouse in Illinois. So don't know what that's doing in there, but it got in there. Oh, even another match pack. What else we got? Oh, that's kind of cool. Combat veteran of World War II, Veterans Affairs. Little list for Republic candidate. So Republican candidate that was a World War II veteran. I guess give him a match pack, so that's in there. I'll have to remember how these go together. Luckily I made the video. Now here's the obvious ones. Is you're gonna get your one small bandage. So that's dated 67, which is nicely matching. This is kind of cool too. I've seen these before. These are inside here. They're sodium chloride bicarbonate. And if you actually have burns, if you get burns from napalm or something like that, you actually put this in your drinking water and drink it. And it's supposed to, I guess, help with that, with burning and kind of repair of the flesh. Then you have your big, this one's kind of in there, so I don't want to rip it out, but this one I'm going to leave in there, but that's just your basic first aid dressing, the full size one. And then let's see what we got, this little guy here. Oh, the lipstick, lipstick, anti-chap and sunburn preventative. So that's the lip chap. This is all metal. It's actually still some moisture to it, so that's pretty cool. And I like how they kind of have a hex key to it. Let's see, you got two other pill bottles in here. Oh, empty one. So I guess put whatever you want in there. And see if there's another empty one. Oh, two empty ones. So it's either been used, taken out, or maybe they're just so when you do get handed out things like malaria pills, you have something to put them in. So anyways, that's kind of the Jungle First Aid Kit as I found it. And obviously it's been altered by somebody at some point, or at least added to, but it still looks pretty period stuff. Definitely late 60s, early 70s at the very least. So cool beans.